Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Okay, so what I have here is a blow light bulb. This light bulb is very circular in shape. I think what I'll try to do is to turn this into a camera lens. So the first thing that I need to do is to remove the top part. I guess this is the end cap. This bulb thread section is made of brass, so I guess it will be pretty easy to saw off. So let me do the sawing now. So what I have here is a small hacksaw. I'm going to use this hacksaw to just saw off the top part of the light bulb, and then from there I will remove the filament. So you see the lens cap has been sawed off. I use a file to file off the edges to make sure that it's smooth and no sharp edges, and then I will try to remove the filament itself.
2,000 years later.
So you see the filament is now removed. What I done was to use this long nose plier to slowly break and then remove the filament from this light bulb itself. If you are going to try this, to wear your safety gear, safety glasses and your gloves. Okay, so I have washed out the light bulb. I just wash it with some soap water, so it's look a lot clearer and cleaner now. So how do we turn this into a lens? I think we need to fill it up with water. So what I have here is just some tap water. Right, so what I have here is some tap water and a funnel. Funnel is a little bit too big so it couldn't fit in. And then I will fill it up with water. Alright, this is just tap water. This is just a roll of masking tape. So I'm going to tear off a piece and seal up the top of the bulb. So just seal it up so that the water won't flow up too easily. It's not going to be tight proof, but I think it's just to prevent the water from flowing up too much. Right? And with this, our lens is done. Okay, I finally find a way to mount this light bulb onto a lens board. So if you have watched my previous video where I made use of this foam board lens board to mount my projector lens, I'm doing the same thing now. So this is also the same lens board. I enlarged the hole, right, and I tie some wire to hold on the bulb to the lens board, and also put a lot of black tape around the light bulb so that it will hold, right. So I think that it should be quite stable, it shouldn't drop. Put this on the Afghanistan box camera and then see how does it look. Alright, so what I have here is some 5x7 paper. These are Fomapan RC paper, right? Put inside a paper safe box. And I have here the UFED multi-grade paper developer and the UFED rapid fixer all ready. And let's load the paper and then take our exposure. Okay, so this is my setup for the day. It's going to be an indoor still life because the light bulb aperture is quite big. So I need somewhere that is low light so that the exposure time can be in terms of seconds, because there's no shutter for this light bulb lens. So you can see that the light bulb is actually quite close to the still life scene, maybe about 50 cm or so. Right, and let's take a look at how does it look like on the ground glass. Right, so this is how it looks like. It's a very diffuse image. So let's try to take a photo of this using the photo paper, and then we'll process it and take a look. Here you can see that the ground glass is actually quite close to the lens. I estimate about maybe 5 cm or so. So you can see that the lens is actually quite a wide angle lens. Right. So this is the light bulb. It's hard to find a shutter for this light bulb lens. Even my DIY baby graphic shutter that you saw in my previous video will not work. So what I have here is my dark graph. I will just use this dark graph as a shutter control. So when I load the paper, I will cover the lens up with my dark graph, and when I'm ready to expose, I will leave it up for the required number of seconds, right? Right, so I have processed the paper. So I have taken the photo exposure of 2 seconds. I process it in the paper developer and also fix it in the rapid fixer for a minute. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is how it looked like. Kind of a very flat, low contrast image. So let me wash this and dry it, and then I will show you the result later. Alright, so we have the dried paper negative here. So this is the result of the 2-second exposure. A bit of a flat photo negative. I'll convert this to a positive digitally. Right. So you have seen the result. Although this light bulb can be used as a camera lens, it does produce a kind of a soft and diffuse image. So I think it's good for experimenting, for fun, and good for explaining some lens optics theory. It may be suitable for some art projects. If you are looking for technically sharp photos, then this is probably not the lens that you want to use. But I have fun playing with it. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you at the next one. So thank you. Hi guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please like it, share it, and finally do subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you at my next video. Take care. Bye.